Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Happy Friday. And we did receive pending home sales for December. These are signed contracts that were done in December. And they were showing up 21%. And this is with inventory being down 23% from last year. So challenging market, but still showing the strength of the real estate market. However, right now, what's going on in Washington, they're looking to pass a bill that gives $15,000 first-time homebuyer credit. This is not being seen as what we need right now in this industry. We need inventory. We do not need more buyers. It's nice to have a first-time homebuyer credit, but some of the pitfalls that we may be seeing when that comes out, if it does get passed, is that you're going to have these buyers trying to take advantage of that. They're going to run out. They're going to overbid homes that aren't going to appraise, and it could be just a mess. Maybe looking to finding a way to help incentivize builders to build lower end homes or lower priced homes, might be a better way because we need inventory. We don't need buyers. With that being said, we got some inflationary data today via the PCE, which is personal consumption expenditures. That is the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, and it was pretty tame. It was only up 0.4%. Next week we get jobs numbers. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted.
Pick up your phone, text, or call me. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me.
If you're going to have the commitment to the amount of money that it's going to take to build that home, you have to have the commitment of time and energy by everybody involved. So if you want to know how to build your dream home, I'll tell you. Grab your phone, text or call me. It's simple. I'll tell you.
Text or call me.
Grab your phone.
It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me.